Welcome to UXL, where you can learn new skills anytime and anywhere. Visit uxl.com to explore our full course selection. This lesson is part of a larger course. Check the video description below for a link to the full course where you can enroll. If you enjoy our content, please like and subscribe. For your convenience, the course cover displayed on your screen provides the complete course title and lesson title. Let's proceed with the lesson. Lesson: Import-Export Regulations and Procedures. Import and export regulations and procedures form the backbone of global trade, dictating the terms and conditions under which goods cross international borders. Understanding these regulations is crucial for supply chain professionals as they navigate the complexities of international commerce. These regulations are designed to facilitate trade, protect domestic industries, ensure safety and compliance, and generate revenue for governments. However, they also pose challenges due to their complexity and variability across different countries. The primary goal of import and export regulations is to control the movement of goods across borders to ensure compliance with national laws and international agreements. Every country has its own set of laws and regulations that govern the import and export activities, which are enforced by customs authorities. These regulations include tariffs, trade barriers, quotas, and non-tariff measures, each serving a distinct purpose in trade policy. Tariffs are taxes imposed on imported goods and serve as a primary source of revenue and a means to protect domestic industries from foreign competition. Trade barriers, on the other hand, include any regulation or policy that restricts international trade, such as import licenses, export controls, and embargoes. Quotas set a physical limit on the quantity of a particular product that can be imported or exported during a given time frame. Non-tariff measures, which include sanitary and phytosanitary standards, technical barriers to trade, and pre-shipment inspections, are regulatory measures other than tariffs that countries apply to imported and exported goods to achieve various policy objectives. Compliance with these regulations often requires detailed documentation, which is critical for ensuring that goods are imported and exported legally and efficiently. Key documents include the bill of lading, commercial invoice, packing list, certificate of origin, and import-export license. The bill of lading is a legal document issued by a carrier to a shipper, detailing the type, quantity, and destination of the goods being carried. It serves as a shipment receipt when the carrier delivers the goods at the predetermined destination. The commercial invoice is a customs document used in foreign trade, which provides information about the goods being shipped, including their value, classification, and the terms of sale. The packing list provides detailed information about the shipment, including how the goods are packed and the dimensions and weight of each package. The certificate of origin is a document that certifies the country in which the goods were manufactured and is often required by customs authorities to determine the appropriate tariffs and duties. Finally, import-export licenses are official documents issued by a government authority allowing the import or export of certain goods. These licenses are particularly important for goods that are subject to quotas or other trade restrictions. In addition to national regulations, international agreements and organizations play a significant role in shaping import and export procedures. The World Trade Organization sets global rules of trade between nations and aims to ensure that trade flows as smoothly, predictably, and freely as possible. The WTO's Trade Facilitation Agreement, which entered into force in 2017, is designed to simplify and streamline customs procedures, making it easier for goods to cross borders. Despite these efforts, navigating import and export regulations remains a complex task due to the diversity of rules and procedures across different jurisdictions. This complexity is compounded by the ever-changing nature of international trade, driven by geopolitical shifts, technological advancements, and evolving consumer preferences. Companies engaged in international trade must stay abreast of regulatory changes and adapt their strategies accordingly to remain compliant and competitive. To illustrate the challenges and opportunities presented by import and export regulations, consider the example of the United States-Mexico-Canada Agreement, which replaced the North American Free Trade Agreement in 2020. The USMCA introduced significant changes to trade rules in North America, including stricter rules of origin for automobiles, improved labor and environmental standards, and measures to increase market access for U.S. dairy products in Canada. These changes required companies operating in the region to reassess their supply chains, compliance strategies, and market opportunities. Similarly, the ongoing trade tensions between the United States and China have highlighted the impact of tariffs on global supply chains. The imposition of tariffs on a wide range of goods by both countries has led to increased costs for businesses and consumers, prompting companies to explore alternative sourcing and manufacturing locations. This situation underscores the importance of understanding and adapting to import and export regulations in a dynamic trade environment. In conclusion, import and export regulations and procedures are integral to the functioning of global trade. They ensure compliance with national and international laws, protect domestic industries, and facilitate the smooth flow of goods across borders. However, the complexity and variability of these regulations pose significant challenges for supply chain professionals. By staying informed about regulatory changes and leveraging international trade agreements, companies can navigate these challenges and seize opportunities in the global marketplace. As global trade continues to evolve, a deep understanding of import and export regulations will remain a critical competency for supply chain professionals. This concludes the lesson. We trust you found this video informative and engaging. To enroll in the complete course, please use the link provided in the description below. At UExcel, we are committed to your learning journey. Each course offers a certificate of completion, online support, and downloadable resource files to enhance your experience. If you found our content valuable, we invite you to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to supporting your continued pursuit of knowledge.